In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Pro, and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and right here under Digital Wellbeing, you've got all info. If you'll tap on it again, you'll be able to check the detailed stats for each day of usage. If you'll scroll down, you'll be able to check particular apps and time spent on it. For example, settings been in use for 38 minutes yesterday. And let me check today. Let's go on Tuesday. As you can see today, they've been in use for 21 minutes. So this is it. This is how you can control time spent on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.